Subscribe to my channel Vairu and hit the bell notification icon to get the latest updates. If you love the videos, please don't forget to hit the like button and share them with your friends, and also leave your feedback in the comment section below. Additionally, you may also follow me on some of the major social media sites online, of which links are mentioned in the description below.
अब हिंदी सबटाइटल्स के लिए YouTube के कैप्शन अनुवाद का उपयोग करें.
Hey folks, Viraj here, and as you see here, I have the Signoraware rice cooker cum idli maker cum steamer as they claim. Now imagine making idlis in a normal way. It's a task in itself. So will this product provide some convenience in cooking idlis in a microwave oven? Firstly, I'll have a look at what exactly this product is, what the box has inside it, what accessories do we get with this product, and then try my hands with some practical idli making lessons. I hope I won't burn it this time. So let's roll. So as you see, the box gives a pretty good visual representation of different food you can cook using this product. At any point of time, feel free to pause the video and check the specifications in details. I will go ahead and unbox this product right away. So as usual, we are greeted with the product manual. So these are pretty good, decent representations of different kind of setup you can create using the product and its accessories. I have to say that Signoraware has done a pretty good job with the plastics. This is a knob which mimics the pressure cooker whistle. So let's open the product. You just need to slide the lid. It's simple as that. As I said before, pretty good use of quality plastics. So I'm not sure would calling it plastic technically would be right, because I'm confident that it has been made from materials that are heat resistant and compatible with microwaves. So you get a steamer stand with a central pillar that holds all these three idli stands. So coming to the cooking part, I will be quickly chopping some green chilies, fresh tomatoes and carrots to be mixed with the idli batter. So that's my idli batter, creamy and consistent. Making an idli batter is pretty easy. Just take some rava, that is semolina, and roast it in a pan. Add yogurt or curd to it. Stir it well till you get the consistency. You can also Google the procedure if you want to get into details. So I will be creating this pseudo tadka for all these veggies that I have chopped. I call it pseudo because it isn't a real tadka actually. So you can use a little bit of jeera or cumin seeds, little rice seeds or mustard seeds, then sesame seeds or til as we call it, couple of clovebuds or lavang,
half a tablespoon of ghee. I prefer ghee rather than oil, but you may also use those so-called healthy oils like olive oil as you wish. Okay, so now it's time to add some fresh curry leaves. Mix it again. And now add all those chopped veggies into this pseudo tadka. And there go the greeny chilies and red tomatoes and carrots. Give it a good mix and wait for them to be partially cooked. So it's very important that you don't fully cook this or overcook these veggies, because they will be exposed to the microwave and heat while we bake idlis inside the oven. And now transfer all these partially cooked veggies into the batter bowl and give it a good mix again. And your masala idli batter is ready to be baked. So let me just quickly grease these idli slots with that ghee-clad greasy spoon, just to make sure that the idlis don't stick to the stand. All you need to do now is fill those idli slots on the stand one by one with the idli batter. Look at the batter, the consistency, the color it has gained because of those red tomatoes. Looks pretty delicious. Now while placing the idli stands, you need to make sure that the steamer stand, which is actually the skeleton of the whole product, fits properly in a proportionate stance. Then add some water to it so that the steamer effect is created. I haven't added much, but that's enough to create the steamy effect inside the cooker. So there goes the idli stand. I'm using only one stand for this quick demo. If there were two other stands filled with these batter, I would have used them, placed exactly one above the other, stacked vertically. And there goes my all new Signora idli cooker for its test run. Now while using all these microwave oven brands, you need to keep in mind that the heating filament temperature, the time that it takes to heat up, vary as per brands that you use. The brand that I'm using right now is Signora and it tends up to heat quickly in comparison to brands like LG and Onida. I really don't know the exact reason behind this, but to remain safe, I'm using a temperature of 110 degrees Celsius and will be baking this idli for about 6 minutes. So after about 6 minutes, it's now time to check what the cooker has baked for us. Wow, that looks really awesome, and I really didn't expect it to turn out this good. Have a look at the consistency, the texture, and the color of these idlis.
So now when you cook idlis in the pressure cooker or the conventional idli maker, it's very difficult to actually remove these idlis from the actual metal stands. But because this material is some kind of plastic, it was very easy to get these idlis out of those slots. So mission accomplished. I will go ahead and taste these idlis now. So one huge mistake that I made despite of this warning was using this cooker in the microwave cum convection mode. And this is what happened. The lid literally melted and the whistle that is supposed to moderate the amount of steam that comes out of the cooker also got melted. It's not a huge deal. The core unit, that is the cooker vessel, is intact. It's only the lid that I should be concerned about. I have already drilled some holes into the lid so that the product is usable in its next attempt also.
So yeah, it's time to try this idli now. Pretty good, but it has a slightly different taste than the normal idlis. So apart from the fact that I goofed up with the microwave and convection temperatures, this product does a really good job. So it's a thumbs up from my side. You can go ahead and purchase this product. If you guys have some tips and technique for me to cook foods in a microwave oven, do send in your feedback in the comment section. Until the next video, this is Virat signing off. Thank you. Delicious.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल वायरू को और क्लिक कीजिए बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स पाने के लिए। इन वीडियोस को लाइक और शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। आप भेज सकते हैं अपने फीडबैक कमेंट सेक्शन में और फॉलो कर सकते हैं मुझे कुछ चुनिंदा सोशल मीडिया वेबसाइट्स पे, जिनके लिंक्स आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे।